Hi, welcome back to our tutorial. This time around, we are doing linear inequalities, but simultaneous. Okay, for those who are in Singapore, you'll be covering this at a Sec 3 Express level. Okay, so it's a bit weird because we have two different inequality sign in the same expression. Okay, so how do we solve this? So step number one is to extract your first set of inequality. Okay, so that means we have x plus 2 lesser than or equals to minus 8x minus 8. This is your first set. And extract your second set, which is minus 8x minus 8 lesser than or equals to minus 6x minus 3. Okay, so we have minus 8x minus 8 lesser than or equals to minus 6x minus 3. So you have two different inequalities that you need to solve. Okay, so we do it one by one. We will get here x plus 8x lesser than equals to minus 8 minus 2. So it's a 9x lesser than or equals to negative 10. Therefore, x is lesser than negative 10 over 9, which essentially means lesser than or equals to negative 1 and 1 over 9. Okay, so this is our first solution. Secondly, we're going to solve this. Minus 8x plus 6x lesser than or equals to minus 3 plus 8. So it's minus 2x lesser than or equals to 5. Therefore, x is now, okay, remember, you are now dividing 5 divided by negative 2. Therefore, we need to flip our inequality sign. Okay, so it means x is greater than or equals to negative 2.5. Okay, so what are we going to do with these two inequalities? Let us draw our number line to understand what happens here. Okay, so this is our number line. Let's put in all the values. So we have negative 2.5 here. So it's between minus 3. This is minus 1. Sorry. Okay, let's put in all the values on our number line. And this is what we have. Okay, so for our first inequality, which is x is lesser than or equals to minus 1 and 1 over 9. So we have the marking here. And it is lesser than 1 and 1 over 9. So it's this way. Okay, so we need to do the shading because it's equal sign. And the other one is x is greater than negative 2.5. So 2.5 is here. Draw the line, and it's to the right. Is this way. And we need to do the shading. Okay, so where these two inequalities coincide or intersect, that is our solution, which basically means from here to here. This is the area where they satisfy each other. Okay, so how you present your final answer is basically x is greater than negative 2.5, but lesser than or equals to negative 1 and 1 over 9. Okay, so just to summarize, how do we solve simultaneous inequalities is by first splitting our equation that we have here. This is the first set of equation, and the second set of equation is this way. Okay, solve them individually, present your answer on a number line if you need to, and then finally consolidate your final answer in this manner. Okay, right, guys, see you at our next tutorial.